Hey guys, what's going on? Here I'm going to open up this Lego Star Wars set. This is 75412. This is the Death Trooper and Night Trooper Battle Pack. It's got 119 pieces. I actually love this box artwork. And this gray helmet on the Stormtrooper right here. I really like the Night Trooper, they call it. And I got the Death Troopers there. I kind of wish that this Night Trooper was all gray, so I might have to find a different body for it to make my own custom one. But this is pretty artwork on the back too as well. So we're going to open this up and get to it. And we're back. We are working on this Lego set, 75412. She's got all the bags opened up. So we're going to go through step by step. So, oops. We'll build this guy with his face. Looks like that. Black pants. So that's what he looks like. That's pretty cool. We have, what, 2 of these to build, I think? Yeah, 2 of these to build. There's this guy. There he is. The helmet on. And the pants are somewhere. Next up, we have the helmets on them. This guy's already got his head in there. There it is. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this with the gray. I really like the gray helmet with the gold on there. I really like it, but I don't know if I like it with the white. Maybe build up the other guy. I definitely like this helmet too as well. It's pretty neat. Definitely different. Haven't seen this before. So what do you guys think? It's pretty cool. So we got the minifigs built now. We're moving on to building the mock itself, or the build. That way, the mock, the build. We are back with some more of the Lego set 75412. This is the, what do they call it? Death Trooper and Night Trooper Battle Pack. I absolutely love this battle pack, at least the minifigs. Not really sure if I like the little shuttle thing that they have, but that's what we're building now. We're only a couple pieces into it. So we just add a few pieces, follow the instructions. I haven't bought too many Lego sets in a while, so this one's kind of one of my first ones that I'm putting together. I like the smaller, cheaper sets because you can, if you want to buy a few of them, because I might buy a couple of these so I have more of the troopers. Maybe build like an army or something. I haven't really decided yet what I want to do. One, there we go. Let me know in the comments section what your favorite Lego set is. If you like Star Wars, Jurassic Park, Harry Potter, whatever it is. I personally love the Star Wars ones because you can customize all the ships and then you can build armies with the troopers and stuff. So I really like that. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys subscribe if you like this content. If you want to see more Lego builds. going to start building some mocks here soon. Right now I'm just trying to build some Lego sets. So next step, we're on step 15 already, which is take one of these, the flat black piece on there, build two of those. So we'll just do that real quick. Then we gotta put two of these going facing outwards. So I haven't really used any of these pieces yet. These are weird little brackets. So if you guys have any ideas for mocks or anything I should do, or if you guys think I should build an army of these troopers, let me know. Drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys follow and subscribe for more. Visit the affiliate links if you want to help support the channel. This is a new channel I'm working on. I'll post the affiliate links in the description after this video posts. If anyone would like to use them to help support this channel, help me out. I haven't built these in a while. Yep. Little stud shooters on there. So we got two of those now. What do you guys think? It's pretty neat so far. This is what it's supposed to look like. I don't know. Not sure how I feel about this yet, but hopefully it gets better. I should put those in the wrong spot. You don't get really many good pieces in this set, though. I do like the tan ones we used in the beginning, so those are pretty. I like those, but that's about it. That's it so far. We're on step 24 out of I don't even know how many. Start with another one of these long ones. I think tomorrow I might try building a Jurassic Park set. I have a couple I just recently purchased. But this is my first Star Wars one in a little while. Go. Bridge. Like, I mean, this looks like almost like a door handle to a car. That on. Run out of pieces, which is good. Almost done. Oops, I hit the camera. So it looks like this goes here. Seems about right. Yeah, that looks like it. This goes up there. This goes here. It's a different way to use a cockpit. I'm really curious how these get put together. Okay. Alright, now I'm confused. That's the right piece. Oh, okay, yeah. So you use two of these. That makes more sense. I see. Use a small one like that. Alright, so then yeah, you just build 4 of these, and then it just goes into one of these holes right here. Okay, so I just gotta build 4 of those now. Just bear with me as I build 4 of these. Let's just go pick the top one, I think, yeah. It's a weird little ship. I'll have to look it up and see what it's called. I don't remember what this one's from exactly. Oops. I'm in a little struggle here. There we go. Let's get the minifigs all lined up. You put the little, I put that in wrong. Oh, I definitely did that wrong. That's alright. So then this guy gets a long one. It's a long one. They not give me 3 long? Okay, they give me 2. Okay, makes sense. Here we go. Definitely like this helmet. What do you guys think? That's really cool. Wish the whole Stormtrooper was gray. There we go. few extra pieces. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more.